Just a quick video for you guys tonight, just to show you this. Oh yeah, that's a pretty sight. Come on down, baby. Transmission is out. Now I just gotta get it out from underneath the car. Alright, 1C4 transmission pulled out. Also, one last thing. Let's just take a look at the old 289. Let's take a look at the flywheel because the starter always made a bunch of noise on this engine. Look at those teeth. Chipped. Not good. That flywheel is shot. Or flex plate, I should say. Anywho, thought you might be interested in seeing that. Updates might be a little bit few and far between this week because kind of got a rough week at work for the next week and a half or so. So, that didn't make any sense, but you know what I meant. So, yeah, I'll update when I can. Thanks for watching.